Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, the channel where we explore products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're checking out the Vitamix A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender, a professional-grade machine that promises to elevate your kitchen blending experience. This blender brings a blend of performance and convenience to your countertop, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Vitamix A2300 is packed with features that make it stand out in the crowded world of high-end blenders. It's designed for versatility, with a 64-ounce low-profile container that's perfect for large batches, whether you're making smoothies, soups, or even nut butters. The low-profile design ensures that it will fit comfortably under most kitchen cabinets, which is always a plus when you're dealing with a high-powered machine like this. The container is made of durable, BPA-free plastic and is paired with Vitamix's signature stainless steel blades, ensuring a smooth, even blend every time. But what really sets the A2300 apart from other blenders is its built-in wireless connectivity. This feature may sound fancy, but it's incredibly practical. The motor base automatically adjusts the blending time based on the container size you're using, which means you don't have to worry about overblending or underblending your ingredients. The digital timer is another handy addition, taking the guesswork out of manual blending. You simply set the time and let the blender do its thing, helping you achieve consistent results with minimal effort. In terms of user control, the A2300 offers variable speed settings as well as a pulse feature. The variable speed control lets you manually adjust the texture of your blends, whether you want a silky smooth puree or a chunky, coarse blend. The pulse feature is perfect for layering textures, like when you're making a pasta sauce with bits of tomato or a chunky vegetable soup. This is especially helpful for recipes that require precision, like dips or salsas, where you might want to control how finely or coarsely the ingredients are chopped. Setting up the Vitamix A2300 is a breeze. The motor base is intuitive, and the controls are simple to use with large, easy-to-read dials. There's no steep learning curve here. Just plug it in, choose your speed, and blend away. One of the things I appreciated during testing is the blender's performance consistency. Whether I was blending soft fruits for smoothies or tougher ingredients like frozen vegetables for soups, the A2300 handled everything with ease. Even though it's powerful, it runs surprisingly quietly for a professional-grade blender, which is a big bonus in a busy kitchen. Now let's talk about some of the things that might not be perfect. One minor issue I noticed is the size of the 64-ounce container. It's great for larger batches, but if you're only making smaller portions, it might feel like overkill. The blender also doesn't come with as many pre-programmed settings as some other high-end models. So if you're someone who prefers a more hands-off approach, this could be a downside. However, the manual control features more than make up for this, especially if you're someone who enjoys customizing their recipes. When it comes to value for money, the Vitamix A2300 is definitely on the pricier side, but considering the build quality and performance, it's a worthy investment for serious home cooks or anyone who blends frequently. It's well-constructed, durable, and can tackle virtually any blending task you throw at it. However, if you're just looking for something to blend an occasional smoothie or two, you might find the price a bit steep for the features you'll use. There are other blenders out there that will do the job for less, we'll say, but none that offer the same level of precision and performance as the A2300. Comparing it to other blenders in the same price range, the Vitamix A2300 stands out in terms of build quality, performance, and versatility. Brands like Blendtec and Ninja offer models with similar price points, but often sacrifice some of the finer details, like the wireless connectivity or the precise control over blending time, that make the A2300 a standout. If you're looking for something that's not just a blender, but a long-term investment that will handle everything from smoothies to soups to ice cream, the A2300 is a strong contender. The build quality of the Vitamix A2300 is top-notch. The motor base feels solid, and the container is sturdy but lightweight, making it easy to handle even when full. Vitamix has a long-standing reputation for making durable products, and the A2300 is no exception. Based on my experience, this blender is built to last for years with minimal wear. While I haven't had the chance to test it over several years, the brand's reputation for reliability and the fact that it's backed by a solid warranty gives me confidence in its longevity. While I didn't need to contact customer support during my time with the A2300, Vitamix has an excellent reputation for responsive service. The company offers a comprehensive warranty, and their customer support is known to be helpful when issues arise. The brand is also known for continuous product updates, ensuring their blenders stay relevant with new advancements. However, as the A2300 doesn't rely on software updates, this feature isn't something you'll need to worry about. To wrap things up, the Vitamix A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender is a high-performance kitchen appliance that lives up to its promises. It excels in blending consistency, versatility, and build quality. If you're looking for a blender that can handle everything from smoothies to hot soups to nut butters, this is a fantastic option. The manual control features allow for a customizable blending experience, and the wireless connectivity adds a layer of convenience that's hard to beat. While it may be a bit overkill for occasional users, if you blend frequently or want a blender that will last, this is an excellent investment. Thank you for watching. The link to get your own Vitamix A2300 can be found in the comments box. If you already own one, or if you have any thoughts or questions about this product, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, blending up the best one review at a time.